I was born in the 338th year, which was the seventh generation from Adam. I was the father of Methuselah, my son, who lived to be 969 years old. I was a righteous man who walked with God and was taken up to heaven without dying. I am in the book of Genesis chapter 5 verses 21 to 24, and my story foreshadows the church being raptured before judgment came against the wicked. As the Apostle Paul said, "Behold, I show you a mystery. We shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed, in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trump. For the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed." The mystery lies within my story. He was saying that we shall not all sleep, or in other words, we shall not all die, but to be caught up in the air, which refers to the rapture. Many mistake me as being one of the two witnesses in the book of Revelation. However, this is not true. Why? Because I represent the church, who is in heaven and not to be seen again until the second coming of Christ. I hope this has brought you some revelational knowledge concerning this ministry.